Hello, all you spark shies out there. Rainbow Spark Shy later. Oh, the fucking Spark Shies. And I'm here with Seb, who just. Anyway, today we're gonna be watching 3 videos by Teenage Bratwurst. Seb, can you shut up? Seb, cut it out. Anyway, we're gonna be watching Sonic.exe. 3 parts of the video, and Seb, I swear to God,
I can't handle my laughter.
I was fucking slit your throat and eat your blood out.
If you can.
Yeah, if I can.
Yeah, if you can.
Anyway, let's just start with Tails' demise without fucking fuck. Anyway, let's get started. I know that music. It's the mingle dingle the jingle the fuck. Why was Sonic floating? Okay. The fuck. Oh yeah, Wildcat! Ha! Who puts a ring in the back of the?
Excuse me.
You should have seen what I saw. Tails, don't. You're gonna fucking. Oh, I know what's happening. Is this what I think is gonna happen? Fuck every horror movie that happens!
That's horribly black.
Wait, what did you just say?
You did a horrible evil.
I don't know. With the power of Christ, I will stab this bone into your head! Karate power! Power? Oh god. Okay, that's fucking you, oh my god. Okay. Jurassic Park! Sonic.exe edition! Sorry, I had to say it.
Okay.
Poor Tails. It's just. I hate when people have to be traumatized by this sick shit. But. God, it just. Fucking called it. Oh my god! He has some fucking sharp claws if he could do that.
Bone, shut up!
Seb, shut up!
So many souls.
I can't.
with
Ew.
Wait,
so little time. Wouldn't you agree?
hell no. Your tongue is green. I don't get that.
Logic?
Oh my god! That was loud as shit! Anyway, part 2. Let's go. had to decorate like that? Ugh, that would have been fucked up. Just the head of the victims. Whoa, bruh. Hey, Knuckles. The Echidna. November 4th, 2014. Huh, sounds familiar. I wonder why that sounds familiar. Well, every time when I look at his green tongue, I just always think of a joke, just like, it's really psychedelic. Oh my god, that was terrible. Anyway, chemical plant. Turn back, fuck you. Get turn back to what you did before. Well then. Yeah.
Sonic!
That is not shitty.
This is Sonic cool, guy.
And he's pointing at tails. Oh god.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry.
Knuckles. Oh no, he's pissed. He pissed.
Ugh. Nasty.
That's not your teleportation power. Oh god. Oh, I don't know why that feels familiar. That's really gonna hurt. What are you? What are you do? That pink goo though. God, I feel so bad for them. Like, oh my god. I wonder why Zingo hates this fucking son of a bitch. Seb, I know you're still there.
I know.
Oh! Just move away from the tree. Don't get in front of the. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. Yeah. Uh-oh. Dr. Pingus Lord.
The doctor
Bring this.
is in.
At least it was better than that jump scare. Oh my god. Okay, part 3. Wee. Magic. I'm so sorry. Huh. Wonder what that's down there. Boost that shit. View.
Not so fast.
What the fuck? It's high blood pressure. Sure. Okay, that's kind of weird. I'm not gonna question that. Uh-oh. It's like a tree branch. Press it! Oh god. How did you get free? Don't know how that they... Okay, I think he lost his grip or something? Well... But doesn't matter. All that matters is that... he's firing with the laser! Is that the sound of a demon? I've been encountering lots of them, but god, that is even worse than I thought. He's not dead, I know this. Oh god, man. God, ugh. Do not God, if I was in this predicament, I don't know. No good. That sure looks badass, I'm not gonna lie. Eggman. Boop. Your source of light. Yes, Eggman, you're finally smart. Okay. Burn him! Burn him! Why? It's an egg! You're an egg! Egg. You egg an egg. Wow, are those the stairs? Wow, it's stairway to hell. Uh-oh. Oh, God. What? Eggman! Hey, you fucking... God! You could be paralyzed by that! Oh, voice crack! Sorry, I'm voice cracking a lot. No, don't. Oh my god! Oh, that's gotta hurt. Smashed in my gush.
It's a very sad day for you. isn't it, Doctor?
Uh-oh. No, no, no. Bro. Oh god. No, that couldn't. No. We all know how he is. An asshole in a douchery.
You just don't get it, do you?
Fucking
Your
Colin.
pride and your self-admiration is your greatest weakness, Doctor. Years and years of your life spent deploying your pathetic contraptions in an attempt to defeat me. Were just all for nothing, weren't they? No matter what improvements you made, no matter how much you tinkered with your little toys, it just all ends in failure. And why? Because I am the universe.
Whoa, how
I
is he still
am the ultimate life form. I am life and death.
Oh. Uh-oh. Is he gonna...
I am God.
He's gonna do Mortal Kombat X shit. Fucking called it! Oh my god!
The hell?
Uh-oh. No. Is he going to use... No, he couldn't. He's using the souls of his friends? Well, and one enemy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's gone Super Saiyan. Oh, God! That's even worse than a natural self. But good design, not gonna lie. Thanks for watching, and for being extremely patient. Actually, I've never known that these videos were actually real. Special thanks to these cool guys for reacting to my other videos. Master Mike said it, hey! Mike plays games and sends reacts. It's a big shout out to Luigi Kid for keeping me busy. No butt stuff. No butts.